Now you're ready. So.
We've just stepped into a ski rental store here in beautiful Grindelwald, Switzerland. Everything around us is covered in snow gear, skis, boots, jackets, helmets, everything you need for the mountains. This is Wyss Sports and Souvenir store, one of the most popular places for ski rentals here. You don't need to buy anything. You just come here, and they set you up completely for your snow adventure. First, they check your foot size and give you perfectly fitted ski boots. Then they select skis based on your height, weight, and experience level. Even the ski poles are adjusted perfectly for balance and control. The staff here is super helpful. They show you how to lock the boots, how to clip into the skis, and how to stand safely on snow. Now talking about pricing. At Wyss Sports, ski rental usually starts around 40 to 70 Swiss francs per day, depending on the equipment. You can rent it for 1 day, 2 days, or even a full week, and weekly rentals come with better discounts.
Goggles, ski goggles.
This usually includes skis, boots, and poles, and you can also add helmets, jackets, and goggles if needed. Everything is now fitted perfectly, and the adventure is about to begin.
Sorry. You can go with them to see how they are. Yeah. You can walk down.
And now we are all set and heading out for skiing in the snowy mountains of Grindelwald, Switzerland.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Time for an unforgettable winter experience.
Look at the snow. And if you see up here, that's where they're gonna go. And they have a trainer with them, which is also per hour. He charges per hour. And Shreyas, come on, Shreyas, say hi to me.
Hey guys, we should take one picture of everyone. Hey guys, come on, please.
They all are going for skiing, all the kiddos. Say hi.
We'll move so you can take his picture.
Here's Anji going for skiing. Here's Shreyas. You need to learn. You need to learn how to hold it.
Wow, you can hardly see anything. Oh my god, I'm blocking. Oh. Oops. Look at that snow. Look at the snow. Look at the snow, man. Look at the snow. Yeah, my hands up. Wow. I cannot see anything. Okay, so I put my glasses. I can see better now. See those people skiing? How cute is that? Ah, how fun is that? Oh my god. Ah. I'm more worried for them. Nice. Love it. It's all snow. Anywhere you see.
Ready? Okay, I'll come. Hold on.